Welcome back, and we are just exploring the wilderness out here, seeing what it's got to show. It's very beautiful out through here. Got nice rock walls just like this. Nice little breeze. Well, it's a beautiful place until people throw their trash out. This must be a campsite or whatever. Throw their trash out site, you know. Very exquisite scenery. I think this road will connect back to the main road. A lot of birds out there here. This would probably be the prime zone for hunting. I'd hate to be that person that fell off that. Yeah, but the scenery is actually pretty unique around here. For what it is. This should be a walking trail through here. This is probably someone's land and I just don't know whose it is. Or it could be state land and it's just whatever if it's state land. Hoping we don't run up on any dead bodies. That'd be fucking creepy. But other than that, the day is going pretty decent. I like getting out and doing this shit. We're probably gonna head on back to the car. That wasn't far at all. Just a little loop through there. As you can see, over there is the lake and dam. Wolf Creek Dam to be exact. But we're just walking on the road here. You know, just minding our business, not giving a fuck. Taking in a fresh, deep breath of air. Very peaceful. Much needed. If you all, you know, are ever at Lake Cumberland, come up here, breathe in, breathe out, relax. That's all you need. All you need to do is just relax. Take you a little walk up down this road, park your car like I done mine. There's tons of birds out through here. You can probably hear all of them. I'm hearing like a lot of jarring, like from like the ground, and I'm afraid like that fucking dam's just gonna fucking break on us. But we're back at the car. Probably gonna put you up on the tripod and see us going over the dam, or I'll probably film going over the dam. But let's get to it. Damn potholes! Potholes fucking everywhere down here. I swear to goodness, Bobby. I really don't know how fast you're supposed to drive on this bridge, but I was going like 55 a while ago. But it's probably illegal as fuck. Shit, what's not illegal as fuck? Look at that, look at that. These people behind me are probably like, what in the fuck is this guy doing? The only thing you can do is just sit back, relax, enjoy it. It says go to 40 around this curve, and we're gonna go 40 around this curve. 40 around this curve, up, skirt, skirt, skirt. Well, I have this whole convoy of fucking bass boats behind me.